There are dozens of videos online claiming to show you secret Japanese car features. Everything I'm about to show you is real, confirmed, and you can test it in your car today. No mystery engineer stories, just facts. Let's get into it. Key Fob Sleep Mode for Toyota and Lexus. Your Toyota Smart. Key fob constantly transmits a low-power signal so the car can detect it when you approach. This drains your fob battery over time, and worse, it makes your car vulnerable to relay theft, where thieves amplify your fob signal from inside your house to unlock and start your car in the driveway. Here's the fix. Press and hold the lock button on your fob until you see a small red light flash once. While still holding the lock button, press the unlock button twice. The light will flash 3 or 4 times, confirming the fob is now in sleep mode. It can no longer send or receive signals. To wake it up, just press any button. Important clarification: this saves the fob battery and prevents signal theft. It does not reduce parasitic drain on your car's 12-volt battery. Some videos claim otherwise, but that's incorrect. The fob and the car battery are separate systems. This feature is documented in Toyota's owner's manual and confirmed by multiple dealerships. Not all smart key models support it, so check your manual. Remote window control, Toyota and Honda. On many Toyotas, from 2016 onward, you can roll down all windows by pressing and holding the unlock button on your key fob. To roll them back up, press and hold the lock button. Extremely useful on hot days to vent the cabin before you get in. The catch: this feature is often disabled by default. Your dealer can enable it in 5 minutes using TechStream diagnostic software, usually for free during a service visit. You can also do it yourself with an OBD2 adapter and a compatible app like Carista. Look for wireless remote control linked operation in the power window settings. Selective door unlocking. By default, most Japanese cars unlock only the driver's door on the first press of the unlock button and all doors on the second press. You can change this. On Toyota, hold both the lock and unlock buttons on your fob simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a beep. The display between the gauges will show the current setting. Repeat until you get the configuration you want. On Honda, this setting is accessible through the Vehicle Settings menu under Door Lock Settings. Simple customization that many drivers never discover. Silent lock. Confirmation. Tired of your car honking every time you lock it? On most Toyotas and Hondas, go to Vehicle Settings, then Door Lock Settings, and look for horn confirmation. Toggle it to lights only. Your car will flash the hazards to confirm it's locked without the horn blast. Not hidden at all. It's right in the settings menu, but most owners never explore vehicle settings beyond the radio. Honda Eco Assist Coaching System. Honda's Eco Assist is one of the most underused features in any modern car. When you press the green Econ button on your dashboard, the system optimizes throttle response, transmission shift points, and air conditioning to maximize fuel economy. But the real feature is the coaching display. The ring around your speedometer changes color in real time. Green means you're driving efficiently. Blue-green means moderate. And blue means aggressive driving that's consuming extra fuel. On Honda hybrids, there's also a leaf-based scoring system that tracks your efficiency over each trip and over the lifetime of the vehicle. Think of it as a fuel economy video game built into your dashboard. Honda's own data shows this system helps drivers develop better habits that persist even after they stop actively watching the display. It's standard on most Honda models from 2012 onward. Toyota Smart Stop Technology Brake Override. Every Toyota sold since late 2010 includes Smart Stop technology, a brake override system that automatically cuts engine power when both the brake and accelerator pedals are pressed simultaneously for more than half a second while the vehicle is moving above 5 miles per hour. This was developed and standardized across all Toyota models after the unintended acceleration incidents that led to a massive investigation by NHTSA. If your accelerator pedal ever sticks or a floor mat interferes with the gas pedal, pressing the brake firmly will override the throttle and bring the car to a stop. It's a genuine safety feature that many drivers don't know exists because it works silently in the background. You'll never notice it unless you need it. Emergency engine shutoff procedure. If you ever find yourself in a true emergency where you need to stop your engine while driving, here's the correct procedure. For push-button start vehicle, shift the transmission to neutral first, then press the start-stop button once. The engine shuts off immediately while you maintain power steering and power brakes. You can then coast to a safe stop. Alternatively, you can press and hold the start-stop button for 3 continuous seconds. Toyota designed this 3-second delay to prevent accidental shutoffs from bumping the button while driving. For vehicles with a traditional key ignition, turn the key to the accessory position without removing it. This stops the engine while keeping steering and brakes functional. NHTSA published this guidance publicly after the Toyota acceleration investigations, but studies showed that most drivers were unaware of these procedures during simulated emergency scenarios. Your key fob has a physical key hidden inside it. On most Toyota and Honda fobs, press the small release button on the bottom or side to slide out a metal key. You can use this key to manually unlock the driver's door via a hidden keyhole, which on many Toyotas is located behind a small cap on the door handle. Once inside, even with a completely dead fob battery, you can still start the car. Place the fob directly against or very near the start-stop button and press the brake while pushing the button. The start button has a short-range backup reader that can detect the fob's chip through direct contact, even without battery power. This works on virtually all push-button start Toyotas, Hondas, Mazdas, and Subarus. Toyota Infotainment Diagnostic Menu. Toyota and Lexus vehicles have a hidden diagnostic menu in the infotainment system. The access method varies by model year. On many Entune-equipped Toyotas, press and hold the audio button while cycling the headlight switch off to on 3 times. On some newer models, go to Settings, turn the screen off, then swipe left to right 5 times and right to left 5 times within 15 seconds. This menu shows system status checks. OK in blue for healthy systems, or NG in red for issues. It covers the display, Bluetooth, GPS, cameras, and other electronics. A quick health check for your car's electronics. Do not change settings you do not understand. Just review the status and exit by turning off the ignition. Anti-lockout. Smart key protection. Toyota's smart key system prevents you from locking your keys inside the car. If the fob is detected inside the vehicle, when you try to lock the doors from outside using the handle sensor, the car alerts you and refuses to lock. Limitations exist. If the fob is deep inside a bag in the trunk, the car may not detect it reliably. This is why the sleep mode from Feature 1 is useful. If you want to leave a spare fob in the car without interfering with the active fob, put the spare to sleep first. Why this matters? Every feature in this video is documented, verifiable, and testable. You can confirm every single one in your owner's manual or through your dealership. Japanese automakers build cars with layers of thoughtful engineering that most owners never explore. The irony is that most of these features aren't really hidden. They're in the manual. They're in the settings menu. The real secret is simply taking the time to look. If you found this useful, subscribe for more verified car content. No myths, no AI-generated nonsense, just real information you can actually use.